Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord app notifications not working. So if your Discord app notifications are not working, then in this video I have found 4 ways in order to fix this. So let's just immediately start with the basics. All we need to do is open Discord, go to the bottom left corner of your screen at the profile picture and then go to the top right. Basically, once you've done that, all we need to do is scroll a little bit down under app settings and click on notifications. Once you've done that, what you need to make sure to do is enable get notifications within Discord. Now, if you want to get notifications outside of Discord, just click on that and then you will be brought to this screen. All we need to do is click on notifications and make sure that allow notifications is enabled and make sure that lock screen, notification center and banners are also enabled. Once you've done that, you should be good to go and you should check now to see if your notifications are working. If they're still not working, you're still not receiving notifications, then what I will simply do is making sure that you have disabled Do Not Disturb. In order to disable this, go to your control center on iPhone and you will find this option called Do Not Disturb. Just disable it and Do Not Disturb will be disabled, and this basically means that you will finally receive notifications again, because if it's enabled, then it will basically hide all of your notifications. Now, if it's still not working, then what you can also try and do is simply switching off the mute switch. If you look at the top left corner of your screen at your phone, but then but basically above your volume up button, you have that switch, and it's called the mute switch. And all you need to do is simply disable that, and maybe that will also fix some issues with notifications not working or just not notifications not giving a sound either. So just make sure that's disabled. Now, once you've done that, it's still not working, then the last thing I have for you is simply clearing the cache over the Discord app. On Android, what you need to do is go to settings, go into the search bar, and then all you need to do is type in Discord, just like this. Click on it, and then click on clear cache at the bottom of your screen. Now on the iPhone it's a bit different. What we need to do is click on General, iPhone Storage. Once we've done that, we're going to scroll down till you find Discord right here. Then click on Offload App, wait a few seconds, click on Reinstall App using this page, and then Clear Cache has also been succeeded on iPhone, and that should definitely fix some issues, including notifications not working. So let me know down in the comments below which fixed it for you. That being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.